After using PhonePad for a while, you may find that your inbox becomes cluttered with messages. You can easily declutter your inbox by organizing your messages with folders. Besides the inbox, outgoing, sent and deleted folders, there are personal, public and group folders. Personal folders can be used to store any personal messages you may have. Only you have access to your personal folders. Public folders can be used to store messages that everyone needs to be able to access. In most cases, this is where you would store the majority of your messages. Group folders are special folders that can only be accessed by members of the group. Creating a personal folder is easy. Right-click on the personal folder top level, then select Add Folder from the pop-up list. Enter a name for the folder, then click the OK button. You can create as many folders as you like. You can also create a subfolder under any folder. If you go a few levels deep and lose track of where you are, the folder navigation bar will show you where you are in the folder tree. You can quickly go to any parent folder by clicking on the folder name in the navigation bar. If you want to change the name of a folder, just right-click on the folder and select Edit Folder. Make the change, and click the OK button. To delete a folder, right-click on the folder and select Delete Folder. You will need to confirm the deletion. Please keep in mind that when you delete a folder, all messages in that folder will be deleted as well. If the folder you delete has subfolders, these folders and their messages will also be deleted. Let's quickly create a few new folders, so we can have a look at how folders can be reorganized. Folders can be easily rearranged simply by dragging and dropping them. This is done by holding down the Alt key on your keyboard, and the left mouse button. Drag a folder to the new location, and release the Alt key and mouse button. All subfolders and messages will be moved with the folder. Now you know how to create, rename, delete and move folders. These methods also apply to public folders. One thing to know about public folders: only the user that originally created the folder, or an administrator, can edit or delete the folder. In this example, the logged-in user can't delete this folder because it was created by another user, although if the user was an administrator then they could delete it. In the next video we will cover creating group folders.
This is Houston, contact with a test 1, 2, 3.